Welcome to InfoSistema DMM. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of deploying and configuring the DMM and DMM QA modules to elevate your OutSystems development practice. First, access your OutSystems environment and install the DMM QA module from the Forge to your data origin production environment. Publish the module. After publishing, open the DMM QA application module. Configure the REST API settings by generating or manually changing the authentication key. This key will allow secure communication with other DMM environments. If you need to restrict visibility of certain data, configure private entities in the DMM QA module. This ensures sensitive data is not available in the API. Now, switch to the destination environment, such as testing, QA, or development. Upload and publish the DMM module in this environment. Once the DMM module is published, navigate to Management, Settings in the DMM interface. Create a new REST connection using the URL and authentication key from the DMM QA module in production. Finally, activate your subscription key in the destination environment by navigating to Management Online Activation. This completes the setup process. To use the connections we just configured and get anonymized production data into the lower environments, just follow the corresponding wizard. In the migration feature, select the REST connection you configured as the source and the runtime connection as the destination. Follow up on the wizard to define the applications, modules, or entities you want to migrate, special actions you want to execute on the data like anonymization, scramble, etc. You can run a saved configuration as many times as you want within your subscription limits. And that's it! With DMM and DMM QA installed and configured, you're ready to unlock faster, more reliable OutSystems development and testing. For more information, visit us at infosistema.com.